Take it off.
Yeah, as soon as you press the trigger, she's gonna go.
I'm gonna tighten a little bit just to see.
Okay.
There you go. Now keep it moving.
Where did it go? Dad, how do you get more of the
You press and hold.
press this and hold it?
Yeah,
Press and hold the trigger. Yeah.
but it has to be against the metal when so you can weld.
Keep it up off the metal.
Okay.
About a 1/4 inch away from the metal. Yeah.
I got some more of the.
More what?
Oh, you're good.
No, you're good. Get going. Yeah.
Oh, that's better than Uncle Russell's.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes, it is.
Are you building mountains?